It's another day of Vlogust, and today I've got a family wedding to go to. So if you want to see a little bit of my prep and a little bit of footage from the wedding, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I've got a wedding to prepare for. But before we jump into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning and health and beauty, subscribe. Or if you want to see product reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. Okay, so let me tell you what I've got going on. I've got to get ready for the wedding, and then I'm going to help my son who's shooting the wedding catch a little bit of footage from the wedding itself. So first thing I need to do is get my nails done and then get dressed and head out the door. So let's get it started. So one of the first things I wanted to get done was to get my nails done, because you gotta have pretty feet when you're going out for a fancy evening. And I didn't want to just sit and do nothing while waiting for them to dry, so I thought, let me figure out what dress I'm going to wear. Either this little black dress by Alex Evenings, or that eggplant by Ralph Lauren. You can't go wrong with the little black dress, but there's something to be said about those sexy spaghetti straps. What do you think? I think I'm going to wear the sexy spaghetti straps. I love this color, and the dress does look good on me, and I just feel so beautiful when I'm wearing it. And these shoes are kicking. So now I need to get the top coat on my toenails, and then I'll be done. Now that I'm all buffed and polished, I've got a few finishing touches. Lipstick, a little bolder than what I normally wear. And then a little bronzing powder on the collarbones. And shoulders. Just gives your skin just a little extra glow in just the right places. Now I'm going to brush just a little bit of highlight on those cheekbones. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I just love it. So now I get that necklace on and I am ready to go. And I thought I'd show you what my feet look like with those shoes. And today my great niece is getting married, and I am just here to help celebrate. So I'm not going to do my usual spiel at the beginning of the video, but maybe I'll save that for later. But right now, I want to take some pictures. Here's a quick peek into the bride's room. Her mother is fixing her dress, and then here's my son taking some pictures. And then here's my sister and her son and his wife. This is the father of the bride. I asked him a question. He could not even talk. He was just so overcome with emotion. The ceremony is completed, and here they come down the aisle. And we're at the reception, and here's the father-daughter dance, and they're dancing to Luther Vandross's Dance With My Father. And then the DJ switches up the music, and now they're dancing to some Usher song. And here's baby ZZ. You've seen me do some of her laundry. She wanted to show us she had her nails painted. And then here's my daughter-in-law, Robin. She had on the most gorgeous shoes, so I got out the shoe cam today. I just had to let you see those shoes. Look how tall they are. And then, of course, children always love running around the dance floor and having a good time at the wedding. And there's ZZ again. And little Zoe over there. And then here I am with my daughter-in-law, Robin. We're just having it up for the camera. And this is ZZ's parents. This is my niece, Chrissy. You've heard me talk about her when I do laundry. And that's her husband. My niece, Helena, and her son. My sister, Tina, and my daughter-in-law, Robin. And there's Justin getting some additional instructions from one of the wedding coordinators. And my niece, Janae. Isn't she beautiful? That's Jamal's other daughter.
She had a 3-week trip to Korea. It was great.
And then here I am just chatting with my cousin Robin and just having dinner and enjoying ourselves. But I tell you what, even these shoes begin to hurt my feet, and I had to take them off. I switched out from those other killer shoes before the reception started, and then I had to take those shoes off. So now I can get my groove on. We are doing the wobble. It's one of my favorite things to do at weddings, is the wobble, that and the Cupid shuffle. I love to dance, and I take every opportunity that I can to do that. Now, the mister wasn't with me that night. He had another event he had to go to. Him and his brothers had a brothers weekend planned, so I was on my own. Well, as you can see, I'm a little bit bedraggled compared to how I started out today, but I am home, the night is over, and we have had a great time. So, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning and health and beauty and all that jazz, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan, a very tired Denise Jordan, saying goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogust.